Hello girls, how are you? I hope that you had some great holidays and that you're ready for a new school year. I'm Miss Trini from Kinder C, and today we're going to learn about the body. So, we're going to learn some new words, but before we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is My Body, and it is now circled in yellow. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in yellow. Ready? Let's go. My feet are for walking. My arms can hang tight. And my lovely teeth can shine with the light. My back and my neck hold my pretty face. And I jump really high thanks to my legs. My stomach is round. My eyes help me see. This is my body and I love all of me. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, we're going to learn the vocabulary words. I am going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, and you are going to say the word with me. Ready? Let's go. Feet. 1, 2, 3. Feet. Foot. So here before we saw 2 feet, but here there is 1 foot. So you say 1 foot or 2 feet, okay? Foot. 1, 2, 3. Foot. Arm. 1, 2, 3. Arm. Teeth. 1, 2, 3. Teeth. When there are many teeth, you say teeth. But if there is just 1, you say tooth. 1, 2, 3. Tooth. Back. 1, 2, 3. Back. Can you try to touch your back? Neck. 1, 2, 3. Neck. Face. 1, 2, 3. Face. Legs. 1, 2, 3. Legs. Stomach. 1, 2, 3. Stomach. Okay, so those were the vocabulary words, and now that you know them, we're going to read the poem one more time. Ready? Let's go. My body. My feet are for walking, my arms can hang tight, and my lovely teeth can shine with the light. My back and my neck hold my pretty face, and I jump really high thanks to my legs. My stomach is round, my eyes help me see. This is my body and I love all of me. Okay, I hope that you like it. A big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.